beginning with your eyes closed, taking a slow breath in, allowing that breath to travel all the way to the top of your head, and then breathing out, allowing the out breath to be even slower, and breathing in, and breathing out. And again, breathing in, feeling that beautiful breath filling up your entire body, and breathing out, allowing the breath to completely exit the body. And then allowing your breath to find its own rhythm. And taking a moment to tune in to your heart center, noticing the chest rising and falling with each breath. Imagining you have a light shining out from the center of your chest. The light starts off small, and the more you focus your attention on this area, the brighter this light starts to shine. With every breath in, the light expands on the out breath. Every in-breath supercharges this beautiful light. The light feels warm throughout your heart center, and you notice that warmth starts to extend throughout the rest of your body, slowly growing, slowly taking up space. The warmth of this light makes you feel relaxed. There's a lightness. It sparkles throughout your entire body like a shimmering gold light. You feel supported and held by your heart energy. The light continues to grow. Now it's shining all around you, enveloping yourself in this beautiful light. You begin to feel your heart opening. It's like the light shining from your heart center is now opening wide like a book. You feel your heart opening. You feel the connection of your heart throughout your entire body. You feel held, supported, and loved. you start to feel an overwhelming feeling of love throughout your entire body, rushing to every cell in the body. It feels so good to be held in this feeling of love. Love is all around you. Your body is love. You are love. Love feels light. This loving heart energy is abundance. You have everything you need in this moment. You feel this beautiful light now shining beyond your aura, continuing to grow. The light extends as far and as wide as you can imagine. Collecting people, animals, spaces in its energy, lifting these people up, lifting you up. There is no problem here. Everything is exactly as it needs to be. You are a gift. You are so loved. And it feels so good to love. Feeling into the warmth throughout your body, feeling in to the physical feeling of love and abundance, of being held by your heart energy, and coming back in to your heart center, feeling the hug of your own heart. And then breathing in, feeling of love and appreciation for this heart energy, filling up your entire body from the inside out, nourishing every cell. And then a slow breath out, breathing out into the universe, this loving energy. Finishing with one hand over your heart and then placing the other hand on top of that hand and taking in one last breath in and out.